You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of the newly appointed, I believe, Denver Broncos quarterback. His first name can be a bit confusing. It's of French origin, I believe, and that's why it's pronounced Tremon. Could be Tremon. Some pronounce it that way, but I believe, he pronounces it as Tremon Smith. Tremon Smith. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.